Okay, I'm going to go ahead and talk through the assignment in case you might have forgotten what you are supposed to be doing. So we are writing a story of the particular uh, animal or plant that you picked out. We're writing the life story of that animal. So for instance, for me, I'm going to write the story of Jane the Eagle. Now I type this as my title page here. Now let's say that I wanted to put in a background of some sort. If I want a background that isn't going to distract too much, I might put in a color, and I can do that and hit done, and then I have a nice color. I do see quite a few people that instead what they choose to do is they may, and this will actually make it color all the same, sorry. Another option is I do see people that decide to click and add a theme. And if you would like to do this, that's another option for you. Um, so I'm just going to have this plain yellow background here. And so what I'm doing is I'm writing the story here in my slide. So this will be like the first page of my book. I'm Jane. I'm stuck in this egg with my parents sitting on me. It's warm. But man, I am ready to be out of here. So then I put in a picture. Now, where do I get these pictures? Well, one of the ways that you can do that is go to the assignment um, in Canvas. And let's say that I want to use something like iClip art. Now, this one does require you to use a password. So your password for this is 1053 NIXO, and the password is AEA10. So I sign into this, and your computer often will ask you to save these things, in particular if you're in Chrome. It's up to you. This is my personal computer at home, so I'm going to save it so I don't have to worry about putting it in. So this is all kinds of different clip art that I can use, and I can do different categories or keywords. I'm going to search for the keyword eagle and see what it pops up. So there are lots of different types of clip art. I'm going to go one step further because I'm not really getting what I want. So I'm going to do eagle nest. And that might be an interesting one. So if I want to use this, what I can do is I can download it, and I can use two fingers and click on it, and I can go copy image, and then I go back to my slide, and I can Control V to paste it in, and then I resize it. I think this one's a funnier picture than the other one. But I can add all kinds of different pictures. So let's say I don't want that one. I think this one's probably better. And I could even take an arrow maybe put it pointing down, spin it around a little bit, and then I can go over here. This is a text box. I can write words here, and let's say I want to make it a little bit bigger. Let's say I want to make it 18. So that's another way. And maybe I think I'm going to make it angle down a bit more. Move it down. Pointing at the egg. There we go. So then I have a slide. And then I can go to the next one. Now I have two different boxes here. I think for mine, I'm going to use this big box up here in order to type my text. If you would like to, you can change these around, but I'm going to write It is time to hatch. Hello, world. I am here. And so then I'd look for another picture. Let's say that I want to do iClip art. Then this one I downloaded, so I'm done with that. What I could also do is, I go back to the original, I could also use Creative Commons, and all of these are okay. Eagle hatchling. So there we go. We got some eagle hatchlings going on here. So let's say I want to use this one. Man, they look weird, don't they? So I tap 2 fingers on my mouse pad. I copy the image. Then I go back to my story and I Control V in order to paste it, and I put it in. And that's all I have to do in order to get all my pictures and stuff. If I want to, I can go backspace here on this box and that'll get rid of it so I don't have it there anymore. And I can just go through. I can keep adding slides by putting the plus button here. And I am just simply writing my story out and looking for pictures. So that's all that I have to do. So hopefully this helps with how you make your story. You just add a slide, add your words, and then find a picture and put it there. Or you could use several different pictures or edit a picture like I did, where you have the me there, which is kind of cute. So if hopefully this answers a few questions. I'll also put a discussion up that if you have questions for me, I'll check the discussion, try and check the discussion during your classes. And if you have questions for me, I'll try and answer them. Good luck, guys.